Doing an unboxing of the Aventon bike replacement battery I got there to replace the defective one I have. And it's got dangerous goods on it. Came by UPS this morning. The new lithium-ion battery for the Aventon bike. There it is to turn it on. There it is to turn it off. Yeah, the old one there just wouldn't turn on half of the time. It was very difficult. I had to press the button there anywhere from one time to about 10 or 15, 20 times there to get it to turn on. And then there's where you plug it in to charge it. So it looks like I'm going to have to take the cover off the other battery to put onto this battery. So hopefully this battery is going to be a lot more reliable than the old one was that I had for almost a year now. Okay, just sort of show you the unboxing of it.